When Hamilton announces a limited edition, it's always something worth paying attention to. But when that release is created in collaboration with the filmmaker Christopher Nolan, it's on a completely different level. This is the Hamilton Khaki Field The Odyssey limited edition, a watch inspired by the film everyone's talking about at the moment, Nolan's new film The Odyssey. Blending Hamilton's military watch heritage with cinematic storytelling, it's more than just a standard limited edition, it's a genuine collector's piece. With that being said, the presentation immediately tells you that this is something special. This box feels incredibly premium and it's packed with details that fans and collectors will appreciate. You've got the Athena-shaped pin inspired by the film, as well as the exclusive plaque featuring Christopher Nolan's signature. Now, let's take a look at the watch itself. Measuring at 42mm, the Khaki Field strikes a great balance between rugged capability and everyday wearability. What makes this model particularly special is its bronze case. Unlike stainless steel, bronze develops a unique patina over time, meaning every watch will age differently depending on how it's worn. It's a material that gives the watch real character, making each piece unique to its owner. The brushed black dial is finished with bronze accents, a distinctive marker at 12 o'clock, and sword-shaped hands, giving the watch subtle nods to the Odyssey film. The black dial stays true to the Khaki Field collection, with its clean, highly legible layout. Hamilton have incorporated elements influenced by the hero's helmet and sword throughout, giving the watch a connection to the film without making it feel like an obvious movie merchandise. It's tasteful, it's understated, and something fans of both Hamilton and Christopher Nolan will appreciate. Turning the watch over, you'll find a titanium case back engraved with Christopher Nolan's signature, another feature that makes this release stand apart from a standard production model. Inside the watch is Hamilton's trusted H10 automatic movement, offering an impressive 80 hours of power reserve. This self-winding automatic movement uses the natural motion of your wrist to keep itself running. As you move, an internal rotor builds up energy and stores it in the mainspring. It's a movement that has become a favorite among enthusiasts, thanks to its reliability and practicality. So you can leave it off for the weekend and it will still be running when you come back to it on Monday. Completing the watch is a rugged leather strap that perfectly suits the Khaki Field's adventurous character. It gives the watch a vintage-inspired feel, while remaining comfortable enough to wear every day. It's also water-resistant to 100 meters. This isn't just a display piece either. It's built to be worn, whether you're exploring the outdoors or simply adding something different to your daily rotation. It's also limited to just 2,112 pieces worldwide. Now, this is already a highly collectible watch, and when you combine that exclusivity with the premium presentation, Christopher Nolan's collaboration, and Hamilton's renowned build quality, it's easy to see why the demand for this model has been so high already. Hamilton and Hollywood have enjoyed a long relationship for decades, with the brand appearing in countless films. Collaborating directly with Christopher Nolan on The Odyssey feels like a natural next chapter, and the result is a watch that celebrates both exceptional watchmaking and great storytelling. Overall, the Hamilton Khaki Field The Odyssey limited edition is one of the most exciting releases we've seen this year. It offers everything you'd expect from the Khaki Field collection. Excellent build quality, a reliable automatic movement, and a timeless military-inspired design, while adding meaningful details that make it a genuine collectible. So whether you're a lifelong Hamilton enthusiast, a Christopher Nolan fan, or simply someone who appreciates a well-executed limited edition, this is definitely a watch that's for sure to become highly sought after for the years to come.